Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Install It Right. In today's video, I will show you how to install Perplexity Comet Browser on Windows 11. So let's start the video. First open your web browser and in Google type Perplexity Comet and click on the very first link. This is the official website to download the Comet browser. Now click on the download button. Now again click on download Comet button. Now you will see the download start automatically. Now click on the downloaded.exe file. Now click on start install. Now you will see the Comet browser is downloading. Now click on launch Comet. The Comet browser will now open. Click get started. It may ask you to integrate bookmarks from Chrome or other browsers, or you can do this now, or simply click on do this later. Next, enter your profile name. And choose any avatar. For example, I choose Earth and click on continue. Or you can also switch to dark theme if you prefer. Now click continue. Skip. Here Comet will ask set pin command to your taskbar. I will select no for now. Open Comet when your computer start. I will select no. Help us to improve Comet. Yes, I select. Now click on start Comet. Comet browser is now ready to use. You can sign in using your Perplexity account. On the home screen, you will see a smart search bar, the built-in AI assistant feature, a clean dashboard with theme. You can switch theme from setting. Also, here on the left side, you will see the home, discover, spaces, and finance. also. Yeah, and that's it. This is how you install and set up the Comet browser on Windows 11. If you want tutorial more on AI browsers or tools, let me know in the comment. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.